You've probably heard of Uphold. Maybe you've seen the ads, or a friend has mentioned it. It's a platform that lets you buy, sell, and hold a bunch of different assets, from crypto and stocks to precious metals. But with so many platforms out there, a big question always comes up: is Uphold safe and legit? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about security. Uphold takes a radical transparency approach. They've been around since 2014 and publicly publish their reserve holdings in real time. This means you can actually see that they have enough assets to cover all customer funds. They're also regulated in the US by FinCEN and in the UK by the FCA. They use advanced encryption, conduct regular security audits, and have a bug bounty program to find and fix vulnerabilities. Plus, they strongly encourage two-factor authentication for every user. But what about the user experience? Well, it's a mixed bag, and that's important to understand. For beginners, Uphold is often praised for its clean, intuitive interface. It's really easy to get started, and its anything-to-anything trading feature lets you swap directly between different asset types without having to go through a currency like USD first. Think Bitcoin to gold or Euro to silver. However, some users and reviews point out a few downsides. Advanced traders might find a lack of sophisticated charting and analysis tools. And while Uphold is transparent about its fees, the spreads on some assets, particularly low-liquidity cryptocurrencies, can be higher than on other exchanges. Customer support is another area with mixed reviews. While some people report quick and helpful responses, others have experienced slow response times. This is common with many exchanges that don't offer live chat or phone support. So, to answer the main question, is Uphold safe and legit? The general consensus is yes, it is. It's a well-regulated platform with a strong focus on transparency and security. It's a great option for beginners and for investors who want a single, user-friendly platform to manage a diverse portfolio of different assets. But if you're a professional trader looking for advanced charting tools and super low fees on every single trade, you might want to consider alternatives. Remember to always do your own research, but for many, Uphold provides a safe and reliable gateway into the world of digital assets and beyond.